In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix not being able to add friends on Snapchat. Okay, so if you go into the Snapchat application and then you go to your profile by tapping your Bitmoji icon at the top left-hand corner, and then you tap on the add friends option right here. Okay, and then you just search for a specific name, like David or something, and you want to add these people. What you can do is you can just scroll down and you can hit the plus button to add them as a friend. But in your case, that isn't going to be working right now. So what you can do is there could be an update that you haven't installed for your Snapchat application. So you can go out of the Snapchat app real quick, open up the Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then you just want to search for Snapchat. Okay, so once you found Snapchat in the search results, you want to tap on the update button right there. You can see I have an update for my Snapchat app. So make sure you're on a Wi-Fi connection and then just update that, okay? If that still doesn't work, then you could have some sort of cache error within your account. So you can go into your settings from your profile by tapping the gear icon at the top right-hand corner. Then you can scroll all the way to the bottom, and there you see the option right here that says clear cache. You want to tap on that clear cache button and then tap on continue, and then that will successfully clear your Snapchat cache. You can also go out of the Snapchat app, go into your settings, then just find the apps option. So you want to tap on apps, and then you just want to, once that loads up real quick, you want to search for the Snapchat app. There we go. And then you want to hit on scroll down, and then you want to hit on storage, and then you want to tap on manage storage, and then you can see a delete app data. Okay, you could try this method, but you can see a Snap will permanently delete the following app data from your device: snaps and chats, logins. So that's like a last resort that you can actually try. And one thing that you can do if you don't want to clear your data, okay, because that's very important, you can also clear the cache from here. It'll clear it, and you can, what you can also do is you can long press on the Snapchat app and you can uninstall it, then go back to the Play Store or the Apple App Store and reinstall it. Another thing you can do is to restart your device by hitting your power button and restarting your device. So those are the few things that you can try. If this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.